There's a peacock hen. Her name's Lola. She's really, really pretty. I have 4 chickens on my lap. I can't get up. I have 6 turkeys, 1 peacock hen, and there's one of my roosters. My other roosters are over there. Someone's pecking at me, I think. Turkey. Yeah. My birds. I have some down here that I'm petting and stuff. Ooh. Someone switched spots. Oh no. I can never get a break with these birds. I can't reach that one. There's one below me. Should be coming up over here. She just went running off. The turkeys are a little bit of a jerk. They pick on them. Not too bad though. But yeah. I have tail feathers. But yeah, I have lots of chickens and turkeys and a peacock hen. I haven't fed them yet, so they're gonna be a little bit grumpy and be moving around. So I'm gonna feed them here in a little bit. I don't know where that the fourth one's right here. And then I have turkeys. I have 3 black ones, 2 gray, 1 white. I need to get some of these chickens off of me. I'm sorry, Dazzle. This is Pip. She's one of my favorites. And then I have Dandy. And I have, Kip. Kip and Pip are sisters. That one doesn't have a name. So I need to name that one. I was thinking maybe Minnie, but I don't know. But yeah. I have a chicken pecking at my screen.